Greetings, kindred friend. Have you ever woken up on a silent morning in a distant land, but instead of feeling full of life essence, you find your body heavy and frail as if you had not rested at all? You feel a silent rigidity in your shoulders, a vague weight in your chest, or lingering aches that refuse to leave despite every remedy you have tried. Through years of hardship, perhaps you have begun to believe that your body is gradually breaking, betraying your will to the cruel passage of time. However, tonight, the wisdom of the Buddha invites you to touch a completely different, liberating truth. Your body is not broken. It is only trying to protect you. Those pains and tensions are actually the armor your nervous system has unconsciously built to shield a soul that has endured too much turbulence. Your body is not obsolete. It has simply been standing guard for too long and has forgotten how to lower its weapons. Tonight, I want to hand back to you the secret of a 15-minute ritual from the ancient deep forest Zen masters. This is the art of sending a signal of absolute safety to the nervous system, allowing that defensive armor to be manually dismantled, making way for the miraculous power of recovery to flow radiantly from within. Join me in beginning this sacred journey of reconciliation right now. The source of silence, wisdom from the ancient forests. Stroll with me, leaving behind the world's frantic pace to find the silent ancient forests of Thailand and Myanmar. There, beneath the canopies of 100-year-old trees, live monks who spend their entire lives in absolute silence. They face the harshness of nature, illness, and the decline of age with an incredibly serene demeanor. Kindred friend, have you ever wondered why these forest monks possess such extraordinary physical and mental recovery abilities? Their secret lies not in elaborate medicines, but in a profound realization. The monks do not heal by forcing the body. They heal by uprooting fear. They understand a law that neuroscience is only now beginning to touch. Our nervous system is like a sensitive flower. It closes for protection when it meets a cold wind and only truly blooms when it feels the warmth of safety. Instead of fighting illness or using willpower to force themselves to get well, an act that inherently increases stress, the monks practice the art of sending complete signals of safety to the nervous system. They do not use words. They use subtle movements and breath to whisper to the brain, "The war is over. The danger has passed. Now is the time for recovery." The ritual I'm about to share is the essence of those quiet hermitages, a bridge that takes you from a weary state of defense back to the pure state of rebirth of your being. The core key: when body and mind find a safe harbor. Pause for a beat and ask yourself, why can we sleep for many hours but still wake up with a withered soul and heavy shoulders? It is because of a profound law that we have unintentionally ignored. Your body is not a soulless machine. It is an extremely sensitive ecosystem with two completely opposite operating modes: survival mode and healing mode. Imagine your consciousness as a house in a distant land. When there are threatening storms outside, you must bolt every door and strain yourself to hold firm. This is survival mode. At this time, all your life force is concentrated on defense. Conversely, healing mode only manifests when the sky is calm, when the house feels completely secure to begin the work of repairing, cleansing, and regenerating life essence. A stark truth you must etch in your mind is, your body absolutely cannot perform the work of healing while it still believes that vigilance is necessary. Modern neuroscience calls this the shift to the dominance of the parasympathetic nervous system. When you live in anxiety, resentment, or the hustle of making a living, you are unintentionally imprisoning yourself in a narrow survival room where stress hormones constantly erode your cells. The sacred ritual practiced by forest monks is the way to send the most decisive peace command to the brain. It does not use words to persuade, but uses energy to soothe, helping you step out of the red alert state so the body truly understands the war is over. The danger has passed. Now, you are permitted to rest under the protection of peace. Preparation. Phase: establishing a sacred space. Before the bridge of energy begins to flow, I invite you to take a silent step. Create your own oasis at this very moment. Gently move away from your phone. Turn off unnecessary noise to return the original silence to the room where you are present. I invite you to choose a sitting posture that is leisurely yet stable, like an ancient mountain standing firm against time. Keep your spine naturally straight so the flow of life essence can circulate, but let your shoulders completely drop, shedding every invisible rock of responsibility and worry. Here, between the boundary of action and stillness, silently establish a guiding intention in your heart. My friend, the secret of the monks lies in letting go of the self that always wants to control everything. Let this mantra guide you. You are not doing the ritual. You are allowing the ritual to do you. Let every effort vanish into the void. Now, there is no practitioner, only a pure being opening their heart to be nourished by the light of recovery. Are you ready for your nervous system to be completely reset? Stage 1. Breath to reboot the nervous system. Observe the rhythm of the vast ocean out there. Each wave crashes onto the shore and then quietly withdraws, rhythmic, leisurely, and endless. Now, I invite you to become your own ocean through the 4-4-8 breathing rhythm, a sacred biological code that helps completely dismantle the defensive shell of your nervous system. First, breathe in very slowly through your nose for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Imagine you are bringing the pure air of heaven and earth to nourish every weary neuron. Then, hold the breath for 4 counts of silence. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the moment for healing energy to be quietly absorbed deep into every pulse. And here is the most important thing. Exhale very slowly, very long, through your lips for exactly 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know, it is the exhalation that is twice as long as the inhalation that serves as the most decisive command to the vagus nerve. It forces the brain to lower its level of vigilance to the lowest point and activates the deep recovery state of the parasympathetic nervous system. Feel the exhalation, like a sigh of relief after shedding a 1,000-pound burden from a long journey. With each exhale, imagine your body becoming heavy, heavier, heavier, as if you are completely melting and being embraced by the tolerant earth. You no longer need to strain to hold on to anything. Completely entrust the weight of your shoulders and your legs to the protection of the surface beneath you. As the breath becomes leisurely, you will find your mind calming like a still lake after a thunderstorm. Your nervous system, which has been stretched tight like a string for years, has finally received the first signal of peace. Just let the breath lead the way. For at this very moment, you are truly safe. Stage 2. Contemplating the body. Awakening subtle awareness. Imagine your mind now like a faint, gentle ray of light, beginning a journey to wander through your own internal kingdom. After using the breath to command a ceasefire, now is the time to learn to face every corner of the body. Kindred friend, there is a profound truth that few realize. You cannot release tension. You cannot feel. Throughout years of wandering in foreign lands, We have unintentionally learned to freeze sensation to keep walking through hardships. We strain to the point that we no longer know we are straining. Tonight, let the beam of your attention pass gently across your forehead. Let every wrinkle expand like a still lake. Lead that light down to the jaw area. Do you feel yourself slightly clenching? Relax it. Continue spreading the warmth down to the shoulders, the place we have long turned into a rack for nameless burdens. Let the shoulders drift down, melting completely into the support of the surface. Go deep down into the abdomen, then gradually spread to the legs, down to the tiny toes. Perceive every area of ache, every contraction without a hint of judgment. When you dare to see and feel that rigidity with compassion, you will be amazed by a miracle. The moment attention touches it, the defensive armor will automatically soften. Without any forced effort, stress will find its own way out with each leisurely breath. You are returning to the body, its original freedom, allowing life essence to circulate radiantly in a being that no longer has barriers. Stage 3. The Energy Seal Ritual, the Bridge of Reconciliation. Quietly contemplate the union between the two greatest kingdoms existing inside you right now. After removing the armor and awakening awareness, I invite you to perform the most sacred gesture to close the cycle of turbulence. Gently place one hand on the center of your chest, right where the heart is quietly beating, and place the other hand on the upper abdomen, the home of the center of life force. In the wisdom of meditation, the heart is the embodiment of consciousness, the place that preserves joys and secret emotional wounds. The abdomen is the survival center, where the nervous system has been straining to stand guard to protect your life against all life's storms. This gesture is not merely a physical movement, but a supreme reconciliation ritual. Feel the warmth from both palms silently seeping through your clothes, rhythmically connecting these two kingdoms. When the compassionate heart touches the weary survival region, you are sending a final message of consistency. Mind and body have now found each other. There is no more civil war. At this sacred moment, all worries of the mind and fears of the body are dissolved into a single flow of energy. You are no longer divided. You become whole and steady. Let the heartbeat soothe the abdomen, and let the stability of the abdomen be the anchor for the heart, bringing your being into the deepest state of mind. Body union. Stage 4. The aura of recovery, when the armor melts. Now, I invite you to gently close your eyelids even deeper and let the warmth from your palms begin to transform into a pale, pure golden light like the early morning sun. Imagine that light slowly spreading, seeping into every corner of your cells, like a flow of sweet nectar nourishing a long parched soul. You know, in Zen wisdom, this light is the symbol of the infinite compassion you are gifting to yourself. Wherever the golden light touches, the defensive armor that has become dry and heavy through years abroad will begin to melt. The muscles that were silently straining, the nerves that were always on red alert, all now receive a gentle command to be completely released. Feel the miracle happening right now. When the protective shell vanishes, your body does not become weak. On the contrary, it is officially entering the state of supreme rebirth. No more resistance, no more anxiety, only vastness and freedom. Your brain, after a long, weary journey playing the sentry, has truly retired to make way for the self-recovery wisdom to operate. You are being bathed in the aura of absolute stability. Let that light embrace your entire being, for in the world of awakening, light only truly shines when the darkness of vigilance has receded. Every crack is silently being mended. Every fatigue is being washed away, so you can return to your purest and most radiant state in the heart of the silent night. Stage 5. Sealing identity. When healing becomes the self. Take a deep breath and feel the wonderful silence enveloping your soul right now. When the radiant aura has nourished and soothed every weary cell, I invite you to step onto the ultimate rung of the journey, redefining your true identity. Kindred friend, our most silent tragedy is that we have unintentionally labeled ourselves as a sick person, an old and obsolete body, or a soul full of anxiety. Unintentionally, we have turned pain into our own identity. Tonight, under the light of compassion, I invite you to courageously strip away those old and heavy labels. Let these affirmations sink deep into every vessel, powerful and solemn like a sacred vow. My body is perfectly safe. My body understands the rhythm of healing intimately. Do not just hear with your ears. Let this sound become the actual beat of your heart. When you affirm safety, your nervous system is no longer a weary sentry or a hiding prey. It becomes a sovereign kingdom, peaceful and firm. You are not a person chasing health in a distant land. You are the embodiment of life essence recovering most radiantly right inside your own being. Etch this wisdom. Healing is not a destination in the future, but your inherent nature, the moment you choose to believe in your own stability. Tonight, you shed the identity of a victim to become the majestic owner of the brightly burning lamp of life essence. Kindred friend, let your mind be completely still now, like a boat that has reached a peaceful harbor after a long voyage through a lifetime of turbulence. We have performed a return journey together, from recalibrating the breath and dismantling the defensive armor to resealing your own sacred identity. Now, before closing this conversation, so you can truly melt into dreams, I want you to etch one final wisdom into your heart. The truth is, you never needed to struggle or use willpower to heal your body, because every cell and every vessel of yours already carries within it a great memory of wholeness and an unrivaled recovery, wisdom from the very beginning. Your only task is not to make yourself get well, but to stop hindering that natural healing process with the chains of anxiety and excessive vigilance. When you courageously choose safety instead of defense, your body will automatically remember how to be its strongest and most leisurely self. Tonight, rest in that sacred entrustment. If this 15-minute journey has touched and soothed your soul, I invite you to spread the light of peace with me by clicking subscribe and leaving a kind prayer in the comments. May your body always be at peace, your mind always composed, and every morning you wake up be a radiant rebirth in boundless joy. Thank you for your trust and companionship. Goodbye, and see you in awakening.